Factorizing algebraic expressions using single brackets. In this video, you are going to learn how to factorize algebraic expressions. Let's see a simple example. 4x squared plus 8x. Factorization is just the reverse of expanding brackets. To factorize expression like this, you have to follow a three-step procedure. Find the HCF, highest common factor, of the numbers. For each letter, find the highest power that will go in all terms. Write the common factors. Put in empty brackets, and fill the terms to reproduce the original term. Let's start with the step 1. In the expression 4x squared plus 8x, the numbers are 4 and 8. HCF of 4 and 8 is 4. Now, let's move to step 2 to find the highest power that will go in all terms. In the expression, there are two x terms, x squared and x. X squared is nothing but x times x. X equals 1 times x. The highest power of x that will go in all terms is x. It's time to move to step 3. Write the common factors found in step 1 and 2, which is 4x, and put empty brackets. Now, we need to find the term that, when multiplied by 4x gives 4x squared, and the term that, when multiplied by 4x, gives 8x. 4x times x equals 4x squared. 4x times 2 equals 8x. The answer is 4x, brackets, x, plus 2. When you factorize 4x squared plus 8x, you will get 4x, brackets, x, plus 2. Do you want to check if your answer is correct or not? For that, you can just expand the brackets and see if the answer you get matches the original expression. Can we do that? This expression is nothing but an example of expanding single brackets. To expand this kind of expression, you have to multiply the term outside the brackets with each terms inside the brackets separately. That is, you have to multiply 4x with x and 2 separately. 4x times x is 4x squared. 4x times 2 is 8x. 4x squared plus 8x. Can you see? It is the same expression we saw at the beginning of the video. Hope you have understood how to factorize an algebraic expression and verify the answer.